Back to my channel. So let's just get started with the price action, and we are going to check the stocks today. So let me check the overall position. So let's first recap. Okay, I'll take a light color. Friday. Okay, so when you see Friday, we have a USA news which actually brought market down, but today, Monday, market are being sideways and they are trying to stabilize. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And you could see everything had a positive close except for fin, and here also almost okayish. So Reliance going up, HDFC going down. So this is what controlling the market. Now let's analyze the Reliance chart. Okay, so I will take just the July month and I'll take 1 hour chart. So July and August, let me just focus so that we can understand what's the price action here. So you could clearly see Reliance. So this is July month open and a breakout failure, and then this is the Q1 results, which was again a drag, and then they are at now May month's support. Okay, now it's in the range bound, and then clearly call writers are having the upper hand than the put writers. Okay, now this is the condition for Reliance. We will check for HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, pretty cool. July month open, and the whole July it was sideways. Now up to August, you see this is the open, so almost July close and August open is same, and July open is equal to August July close. So this condition shows market is in the sideways phase, and here the call rating and put rating are almost type of similar. So let's see if it is taking the support here. Okay, so market is trying to collect SL for HDFC Bank. This is ICICI Bank, looks pretty good. So you see July month open here, it just went and boom, this Q1 results was very good. So it just hits the resistance and collects all the SL. So this becomes the SL zone, and then you could see all the SL is gone, and now it is in the retracement phase. So 2 times retracement, and then now it should go up. Okay, since the OI is also looking a little bit supportive for ICICI Bank. Now we'll check the overall OI. So here we have the overall OI. I'll take Reliance first. So here we have Reliance, and then you could clearly see how call resistance is more, though today put writers are coming in. Now we'll take to HDFC Bank. Okay, so HDFC Life, it's too small to click. Now HDFC Bank, clearly you could see it is in the decision phase. Both call writers and put writers are almost equal. When you check for ICICI Bank, you could clearly see that call resistance is more because call writers are more, but still there is a scope for ICICI because it is in the retracement phase. When you check the close range, you'll get the idea of where the sellers are sitting. So I'm going to take Reliance first. So this is the Reliance, and then you could see lot size. Let me change the color. Lot size, IV, max pain, and the support and resistance. Okay, so 47 and 24. So clearly resistance is being added in market for Reliance. Okay, because you could see the price action, it is actually in the May month support being in the zone. Now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, pretty cool, 12 and 23. Still resistance is more, but it is in the consolidation phase from May, June and July. Now August is a question mark whether any price action. Now based on the news, I think for another 2 months HDFC has to be sideways, but 2K is the very good support for HDFC Bank. If that breaks, then God helps HDFC Bank. When you check here, it is 9 and 50, not much, but it's good, and it is in the actually top and has the retracement, so has the chance to do the breakout. Now let's just go to the skip to the good part, straddle, and we'll do the straddle comparison. So here first I'm going to take is Reliance. So this is pretty straightforward to understand, and we know first half of the month the melting doesn't happen as expected. So let me take Reliance. So we have Reliance here. So this is fourth data. As you can see, first half it was trending, second half not so much. So 90 1390, the green line. So definitely from 61 it has melted down to 57. Okay, so that's actually a good decay. So when you calculate the PNL here, and one lot size for Reliance is 500 times, so 61 and 50, 703 plus 4 points. Okay, so it is a max of 2k profit, and then plus tax and brokerage. Always remember tax and brokerage, because that's where the maximum amount goes off, because SEBI reports that although you make profit, a small part of that goes as tax and brokerage to the government, of course. That's the biggest deal here. So it's a positive decay. Okay, so this is one lot, and you see the price action. So first half it was trending, second half after 12 it just went sideways, and here also in the chart pattern you will observe the same pattern. Okay, now we have HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is exactly a reverse of Reliance. Let's see how the price action would have continued. So this is price action for HDFC Bank, and when you check open, it's 2020. I told you 2020 is going to be a very good support, and then this is also a very good decay, positive decay, you could see. Next we have ICICI Bank in its retracement phase, and then you could see open was 70, so 1470, and this is almost like a small profit, and it's okay for the month start. Let's see how the decay happens. So always remember, decay for HDFC, Reliance and ICICI, the month start value starts from 50 to 70 range, but at the month end they count down to 10. So calculate the amount of decay, and you know the lot size, it is like 700, 500 and 550. So this gives you a better idea of where to take the positions in straddle for your stocks. So that's it guys, thank you.